Okay, so pay close attention to the title of this slide. It poses you the question, do opposites have opposites? So we learned in our last lesson that all numbers have opposites, and opposites are the same distance from zero in opposite directions. We just explored that. So the first question that they ask, what is the opposite of -5? Take a second and write that in. Okay, so hopefully you wrote in the answer 5. Um, the second question, though, reads, what would be the opposite of 4? Hmm. So this is kind of a tricky question. And a similar example to this might be if I told you, well, I'm not going to not give you homework tonight. What does that actually mean? I'm not going to not give you homework tonight. Well, maybe in English class at some point you learned about the double negative. If I'm not going to not do something, it means I'm actually going to do it. So yes, you are going to have homework tonight. Don't worry, it's pretty quick. I think it's pretty easy this time. But so the same applies in math. So we're looking at the opposite of 4. So let's break this down. Well, the opposite of 4 is -4. And then the opposite of -4 is 4. So the opposite of 4 is actually 4. So the opposite of a number is itself. Okay? You will see a question like that, maybe possibly on the exit ticket. So you want to be really careful when you're reading to understand whether you're being asked for the opposite of a number or the opposite of an opposite.